So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Citigroup call options here in Canada, ticker symbol C, here on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple account, go to this bottom bar and press on the magnifying glass icon. Then at the top, go to the search bar and press on search. Then simply just type in Citigroup. So Citigroup. Citigroup right here. So at the bottom, we actually don't want Citi. So we don't want ticker symbol CITI. We want ticker symbol C that has the options button. So on the New York Stock Exchange, go ahead and press on that one. Then at the bottom here, press on buy and then press on options. Now, if you wish to buy some Citigroup call options in Canada, at the top where it says, I believe that C will rise by, press on where it says rise and make sure that call option is checked. So go ahead and press on that right there. So that says C will rise by. And if you want to change the expiry date, go to where it says September 29th, press on that. And you can change the expiry date to a future one down the road. Now, there's a whole bunch of different prices here, right? There's a bunch of strike prices out of the money if you scroll up, a bunch of different strike prices in the money if you scroll down. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead to the strike price in the money of $40 USD. Press on that one. And if you wanted to purchase this call option of Citigroup right here, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Citigroup call options in Canada, ticker symbol C, here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.